Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today we are diving deep into a phone that brings back nostalgia but also packs a modern twist. We are talking about the Nokia 1100 4G. This is not just a re-release of the world's most iconic mobile phone, it's an upgrade that tries to balance simplicity with the needs of the present day. In this review we will break it down point by point and tell you whether this phone deserves a place in your pocket in 2025 and beyond. Number 1. Design and build quality. Nokia has always been about durability and the 1100 4G is no different. The moment you hold it in your hand you can feel the solid plastic body, the rubber-like grip on the back, and that legendary compact shape that made the original 1100 a worldwide bestseller. It is small enough to fit into any pocket and light enough to carry all day without even noticing it is there. The buttons are big, tactile, and have a satisfying click that makes texting old school but still fun. You won't find fragile glass backs or unnecessary curves here, just a straight-to-the-point design that screams reliability. The phone is designed for one-handed use and for people who want a no-fuss device that can survive drops, dust, and even rough weather conditions. The build is IP52 splash resistant, which adds just enough protection for daily use. It is clear that Nokia designed this phone for those who still want a practical handset, travelers who need a backup device, or anyone who is tired of fragile smartphones. Number 2. Display. The Nokia 1100 4G comes with a compact 2.4-inch TFT display that brings basic functionality with improved clarity compared to the old monochrome screen. It is colorful enough to display text, menus, and simple apps without strain. You can see it clearly indoors and it holds up decently under sunlight thanks to good brightness levels for its category. This screen is not for watching movies or scrolling through social media, but that is the beauty of it. It does exactly what it is meant to do: show you calls, contacts, texts, and basic 4G functions without distraction. The resolution is low compared to modern standards but sharp enough for the phone's size. The user interface has been redesigned with large icons, simple menus, and easy navigation, which makes the phone accessible for senior citizens, kids, or anyone who just wants a straightforward device without complexity. Number 3. Performance. This phone is powered by a lightweight chipset optimized for basic 4G tasks. It is not competing with smartphones, but it does provide a surprisingly smooth experience for calling, messaging, browsing light web pages, and running simple apps like FM radio, music player, or even WhatsApp in its basic form. The 4G connectivity is the biggest upgrade here, making voice calls crystal clear with Volt support. Call quality is excellent and the loudspeaker is strong enough for noisy environments. You can also use it as a hotspot, which is a handy feature for emergencies. Multitasking is not the focus, but the phone handles basic operations without lag. If you are someone who needs a backup phone or a device for travel, the Nokia 1100 4G will not disappoint in terms of performance for its category. Number 4. Camera. The Nokia 1100 4G comes with a basic rear camera, mainly for casual snapshots. It is not going to replace your smartphone camera, but it does the job for quick photos in good lighting. Think of it more as a utility camera, useful for capturing documents, notes, or simple memories when you don't have another device on hand. The camera is paired with an LED flash that can double as a torch, staying true to the classic Nokia tradition. For most people who buy this phone, the camera is an extra rather than a main feature, but it is good to see Nokia including it for practicality. Number 5. Battery life. This is where the Nokia 1100 4G truly shines. The phone comes with a 1500 mAh removable battery that can last several days on a single charge depending on your usage. In a world where smartphones struggle to last even one full day, this phone gives you peace of mind. Standby time can go up to 2 weeks, and talk time is comfortably long, making it perfect for travel, emergencies, or as a secondary device. Charging is done through a simple USB-C port, which is a modern touch and makes it easy to charge with any cable you have lying around. The efficiency of the low-power hardware combined with the small display ensures battery life is one of the strongest reasons to own this phone. Number 6. Software and features. Nokia 1100 4G runs on a very lightweight operating system that focuses on essentials. You get calling, texting, contact management, calendar, alarms, and a few built-in games for fun. But with 4G you also get access to internet browsing, basic social apps, and the ability to use it as a hotspot. There is an FM radio with wireless capability so you can listen without plugging in earphones, and there is a built-in MP3 player with expandable storage via micro SD card. The user interface is designed with clarity and simplicity in mind, meaning you don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. Voice assistance and accessibility features are also included, making it more user-friendly for all ages. For people who don't want the distractions of app stores, notifications, and endless scrolling, this software feels like a breath of fresh air. Number 7. Value for money. The Nokia 1100 4G comes at a very affordable price point, making it accessible to everyone. It is not meant to compete with smartphones but rather to complement them or serve as a primary device for those who prefer simplicity. Considering its build quality, long battery life, 4G connectivity, and practical features, the value is excellent. For travelers, students, seniors, or people in regions where power outages are common, this phone is a reliable companion at a fraction of the cost of even budget smartphones. It is also a great choice as a backup phone for emergencies when your main phone runs out of battery. To conclude, the Nokia 1100 4G is more than just a nostalgic throwback. It is a phone built with purpose in a world dominated by fragile and power-hungry smartphones. It does not try to replace your main smartphone but instead offers something different: reliability, durability, and simplicity. The design stays true to the Nokia legacy. The display is practical, performance is smooth for its category, the camera is there for utility, and the battery life is a true lifesaver. The software keeps things simple while still giving you 4G connectivity and essential features. And the value for money makes it an easy recommendation for anyone who needs a backup device, a travel companion, or simply a phone that will not let them down. At appleInsider we believe the Nokia 1100 4G proves that sometimes less really is more. If you want peace of mind, go back to basics with a touch of modern technology, this phone is the right choice.